applying our overlay kit for a 2003 to 2006 GM full-size Climate Control. Typically fits a Silverado, Tahoe, Sierra, Escalade, Hummer H2. Can also be used for some of the Envoys, Ascenders, and Trailblazers, but primarily the full-size lineup. We're going to be curing the common worn buttons with this overlay kit. A few simple steps. I recommend you do remove the Climate Control from the vehicle to better work on it. I wouldn't do it outside in the cold or the extreme heat. This way you get a better application of the overlay. We've got a few different units here. The tools we'll need: razor blade, some tweezers, microfiber cloth, and cleaning solution. What you're going to do, this is normally the results we'll see. Warning indicators. It doesn't look good. Sometimes it can get much severe, as in this. To get the best use out of this kit, we need to remove the excess around the overlay so we get the light to shine through our symbols, our up speed, fan speed, etc. By doing so, we'll take a razor blade and you're going to flake off the excess until we get a white. Try not to gouge it, dig in too deep. We're just trying to clean off the paint. Take your time. The better you get it to look now, the better your end result will be. Yes, we are cleaning off a portion that does not have a problem. This is so we get the light to shine through properly, and it once again has a better end result. This may take a few moments, but you get the idea of where I'm going. You want to remove the entire area where the overlay goes. Don't leave any sparkles. You want a clean white surface, at least for the area. Once you get this done, this is just an example. I'm not going to complete it due to time. I'm going to clean it. Clean off all your excess. Make sure the buttons are free of debris. This has some mud, some grease. You want to make it clean as possible. The strongest cleaning solution I would use is rubbing alcohol, and be lenient with it. It will remove the paint. Clean the unit. This unit has been cleaned in advance. This is what we should be looking at. Okay, at this point you'll get our overlay kit and some tweezers. I would not recommend using your fingers. You basically have one shot at this, one try. And of course, like a sticker, you will have to bend the paper to grab the item, make sure it's retrieved cleanly. This is something that, if you don't feel comfortable doing, you could potentially get a local tint shop or someone to overlay for you. Going to lay it down gently after you apply it. Start with center outward force. I use the back end of the tweezers. Makes a nice application. You could use popsicle stick, your fingernail, credit card. This way you reduce the chance of air bubbles and you get better sticker coverage. By removing the paint beneath the overlay, we'll still get the light to emit through this. Repeat it again. Grab it by the corner. Get a good shot where you want to drop the overlay. You really have one chance at doing this. If it goes down, it's staying. And you will want to, like I said, start from the center, outwards like any overlay or tint vinyl graphic. And you will want to use some amount of force, but be gentle, don't destroy your buttons or your climate control. Looking like a OEM by the second. Go ahead and apply the last sticker with this kit that we'll need. A good set of tweezers will be a lifesaver. Try to line it up. Just continue to smooth and use force. This is basically an example. As you can see, we're back to where we should be. Here's another finished product. With a little bit of patience, you can do this. It's no problem. Thank you, and visit autoecu.com for more tips and repairs. Thank you, and have a great day.